and go, that grizzly bear should be on roids. And you take a grizzly bear and you jack him up on Tren and you give him testosterone and cocaine and then let him loose in the woods. That's what gain-of-function research is. And our government was funding that. They were funding making more evil life forms. And that's where COVID-19 came from. It came from our tax dollars that goes off to this lab where they're working on making a life form more vicious to people.
What did they want?
It's a fucking weapon. That's what I think. International news organizations and independent scientists, including the BBC and experts at King's College London, have reviewed the alleged evidence and found it lacking, noting that the pathogens and documents cited by Russia are consistent with public health research, not weapons development. Okay, public health research is one of the ways that they do weapons development. They do it under the guise of public health research. That's the whole original premise of gain-of-function research. We're doing this so that we can figure out how to heal people. And if these diseases do come our way, we know more about them because we've been researching them. Like, okay, so the problem with the BBC saying it, well, we just found out the BBC's full of shit. So I don't trust that. But I don't know who's telling the truth or who's not, because if I was Russia and I had invaded Ukraine, I would also say, we found bioweapons labs, and maybe there weren't any, you know?
It's the same with like the weapons of mass. It's just so hard to know what's real, you know, at our level of just like being a consumer.
See if you can find online a story so we can pick apart the story that says bioweapons labs found in Ukraine.
It's tough to know who to trust. It's just tough to know where to trust things. So I think you just have to.
But there's a fact that we have had bioweapons research, and so has Russia.